Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end the week. The S&P 500 closed lower for a fourth straight week as the January personal income and outlays came in higher than expected. The S&P 500 shed 2.7% this week. The Dow ended this week nearly 3% lower. The Nasdaq 100 closed down 3.1% this week. And the Russell 2000 also fell about 3% this week. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the week, just one of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, energy, as crude oil rallied more than 2%. Materials was barely changed on the week. And the worst performers were consumer discretionary and communication services, each down by around 4.4%. Now looking at some stocks on the move, Autodesk shares plunged more than 13% Friday after releasing quarterly results. Although earnings and revenues beat analyst estimates, Autodesk gave a weak outlook for the first quarter and fiscal year. Barclays and Baird cut their price targets on the stock, but Piper Sandler raised its price target on the stock. All analysts, however, kept bullish ratings on Autodesk. Live Nation shares closed down 10% Friday, seeing its worst day in almost a year after reporting fourth quarter earnings. Although the company posted revenues well above expectations, it reported a wider than expected loss. Investors were also worried about antitrust regulatory scrutiny stemming from the Taylor Swift ticket fiasco last year. They were also worried about margins. And shares of Beyond Meat ended Friday up 10%. The plant-based protein maker posted higher than expected revenues and a narrower than expected loss. Beyond Meat also forecast net revenue above analyst estimates. Analysts praised the company for reining in spending, and some raised their price targets on the stock. Let's look at what to watch for next week. Now on Monday, durable goods and pending home sales are released. Tuesday, we'll get the consumer confidence reading for February, and later in the week, the ISM Manufacturing, PMI, and ISM Services Index are released. It's a busy week with earnings as well, with Occidental Petroleum, Target, Lowe's, Salesforce, and Broadcom among the biggest names to report. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TDAmeritradeNetwork.com.